Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we are going to dive into one of the most anticipated supercars of the next generation. The 2026 Ferrari F80. Ferrari has always been known for pushing boundaries, but this model truly represents a new era. For the Italian brand, combining futuristic design, advanced hybrid performance, and a completely redefined interior experience. Let's break it all down in detail and see why this car is already making waves even before it hits the streets. The exterior of the Ferrari F80 is nothing short of breathtaking. At first glance, you can tell this car is sculpted with aerodynamics as its main focus. The design is sharp, aggressive, and futuristic, almost like a blend between Ferrari's racing DNA and a vision of hypercars to come. The front fascia features a low, wide grille with angular air intakes that channel airflow perfectly, giving the car a race-ready appearance while keeping it functional. The sleek laser headlights are embedded seamlessly into the body, giving a piercing and modern look. From the side, the proportions are pure Ferrari, low stance, long hood, and a cockpit, pushed toward the rear to emphasize speed and performance. You'll also notice the sculpted lines that run along the doors, which are designed not just for beauty, but also for channeling air into the massive rear diffusers. At the back, the F80 carries Ferrari's signature quad taillight design, but with a futuristic twist using ultra-slim LED rings. The large central exhausts, active aerodynamic spoiler, and aggressive carbon fiber rear diffuser complete the look, making this car appear like it's moving fast even when it's standing still. Moving inside, Ferrari has taken a minimalist, yet high-tech approach to the F80's interior. Unlike traditional Ferrari cabins that were a mix of analog and digital, this one is heavily driver-focused with almost everything controlled through a digital interface. The steering wheel, as always, is packed with Ferrari's signature Manettino dial and integrated controls for performance modes. The dashboard is dominated by a wide, curved OLED display that gives the driver real-time performance data, navigation, and customizable settings. There are almost no physical buttons, with most functions being controlled by touch surfaces or voice commands, reflecting Ferrari's futuristic direction. The seats are lightweight carbon fiber racing buckets wrapped in fine Italian leather and Alcantara, combining comfort for long drives with the support you need on a racetrack. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for a hypercar, but still feels cocooned, surrounding the driver with a sense of control and connection to the machine. And by lighting, carbon fiber inserts and metallic accents elevate the sense of luxury without distracting from the car's performance focus. Ferrari has also integrated advanced connectivity features, including over-the-air updates, AI-assisted driving aids, and an augmented reality heads-up display that projects racing lines, braking points, and even real-time telemetry onto the windshield. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of any Ferrari. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid system, replacing the traditional V12 in favor of efficiency and raw power. This setup produces an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Ferraris ever built. The hybrid system is not just for efficiency. It's designed to provide instant torque through electric motors, eliminating turbo lag and giving the driver immediate response. The F80 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.0 seconds, and top speed is estimated to be over 230 miles per hour. Ferrari has tuned the hybrid system to allow for short electric-only driving in city environments, but its true nature is unleashed when both the combustion engine and electric motors work together, delivering brutal acceleration and unmatched performance on track. Handling is enhanced by Ferrari's advanced torque vectoring system, adaptive suspension, and active aerodynamics that adjust in real time depending on speed and driving conditions. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis keeps the overall weight down, ensuring that the car remains nimble despite the added hybrid components. Ferrari claims that the F80 not only delivers jaw-dropping straight-line speed, but also corners with precision and balance that rivals its Formula One cars. Finally, let's look at pricing. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to carry a price tag starting at around $3 million, making it one of the most expensive production Ferraris in history. With such exclusivity, production numbers will be extremely limited and only Ferraris. Top clients will even have the chance to own one. For those lucky few, the F80 represents not just a car, but a collectible piece of Ferrari's future. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is more than just a supercar. It's a statement from Ferrari about where the brand is headed in the hybrid and hypercar era. With futuristic design, groundbreaking technology inside, an unbelievable 1,200 horsepower performance setup, and the exclusivity that comes with such a rare machine, this car has already cemented itself as one of the most desirable vehicles of the future. So that's the full breakdown of the Ferrari F80, a machine that blends art, technology, and raw power into one unforgettable package. Thanks for watching AK Cars Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting cars in the world.